If this right here doesn't describe America perfectly, watch this shit, y'all. Watch this shit. Let me go over here. Look. That's exactly what America is doing right now. Crashing and burning, going up in flames. It doesn't get any more funny than this. This is how much of a clown show our country actually is. It perfectly describes what we're witnessing in real life, in real time. Did you see the AI video that Trump put out trying to show that the World Fair or this America Fair was fully packed? There's nobody there. Nobody wants to come to that plastic ass fair with those stapled on ridges. The shit is a comic show. And that video only proves that this is exactly how America is resembled. I'm pretty sure Trump will say that that was on purpose, that they purposely made that man fly into those people.
Hi, Smith. High Daily News. Sky Valley. Sky Pot. Big storm. Woo!
Oh shit, I'm fucked. Oh shit, I'm fucked. Oh shit, I'm fucked. 'Cause I'm in love with you. I would make love to the...
We need flag. Flag, 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 flag.
To the front. That's about it. We're good. Reclaim America!
We cannot have a split screen where on one side you have Christian fascists, thugs, Patriot Front, literal Nazis marching the streets of DC, talking about purging this country of immigrant blood and reclaiming the nation in the streets, while in the halls of power they create law and policy that is no different. We can't have that celebration on the one side and the decent people sitting at home watching fireworks doing nothing. We need a people that's acting with courage and conviction and all of humanity in our hearts and saying enough. We will not allow that cruel and brutal future.
New on Action News, another South Jersey community has canceled part of its July 4th festivities. The parade in Millville, Cumberland County has been canceled. According to their website, the public safety director made the decision after reviewing participation and public safety requirements. A separate celebration and fireworks show later in the day is still scheduled. And just last week, Mount Holly called off its upcoming July 4th celebration due to prior problems with crowd control.
police, the Philadelphia police are here. This is not a permitted protest. We did not ask for permission. We did not get a permit. We just took the streets.
And now the police are responding, obviously, to our presence. So far, they're not fucking with us.
This is the largest veteran-led action since the Vietnam backlash. Fucking largest veteran-led action since Vietnam.
And it's not just us, it's community groups, there's PSL over there, there's labor organizers, trade unions. We should have been doing this 20 years ago. The next best time to start this is now.
Facts. It's time for us as a people to collectively get together, raise our voices, and raise hell.
No more fascists, no more war. No more fascists, no more war. This is what we're fighting for. This is what we're fighting for. We say no more fascists, no more wars. No more fascists, no more war. This is what we're fighting for. No more fascists, no more wars. No more fascists, no more war. This is what we're fighting for. This is what we're fighting for. No more fascists, no more wars. No more fascists, no more wars. This is what we're fighting for. This is what we're fighting for. Yeah, we gotta keep it moving, make some noise, make some noise. I know it's hot. I know it's hot. I know it's hard to be in these streets, but you're doing an amazing job taking care of each other because we believe that we will win. Yes?
We're running into the police.
It was crazy, and also with the July 4th traffic, the police couldn't get out. It was unbelievable. And now it's quiet, like nothing ever happened. If you go by there, you see bikes, you see children's toys. It's horrible to walk by there. This can't happen again. Coney Island has to step up. We're one of the best places here in New York. It was never like this. I grew up in Coney Island. We knew everybody. We knew everyone. We have to take charge.
Earlier this week, we had a confirmed gang-related homicide that occurred on the same block. We are looking into whether there is a nexus between the two incidents.
We're at the scene of a heartbreaking tragedy that unfolded in Northwest Harris County this Saturday evening after a 4-year-old child has been pronounced deceased from drowning in a pool at the Cortland Wortham Apartments off of Wortham Boulevard. According to authorities, Harris County Sheriff's Office deputies responded after the child was found unresponsive in the water. First responders immediately began life-saving efforts, but despite their attempts, the child was pronounced deceased. The circumstances surrounding the drowning remain under investigation, and the child's identity has yet to be released. This tragedy serves as a heartbreaking reminder for families to stay vigilant around pools and any body of water, especially during the busy summer months. Stay safe out there, Houston.